Welcome back, financial wizards and market mavens. Today, we're diving deep into the enigmatic world of American Express Company, and trust me, folks, the numbers we're about to uncover are more exciting than a roller coaster ride on Wall Street. So, let's strap in and kickstart this financial adventure with some mind-boggling metrics that'll have your portfolios buzzing with excitement. First up, let's talk about P/E ratios, because who doesn't love a good P/E ratio, am I right? With a PRTTM of 20.25 and a PRFWD of 15.38, American Express is strutting its stuff with confidence in the market. Both are between the 5-year average price-to-earnings ratio that stands at a remarkable 18.81, suggesting a good valuation to his earnings. Continuing, with the price-to-earnings-to-growth ratio or PG ratio, American Express boasts an impressive 1.38, indicating a potential fair valuation when we introduce the growth prospects in the metric. And speaking of confidence, check out that insider ownership at 0.13%. These insiders clearly know something juicy is cooking in the American Express kitchen. But wait, there's more. How about those stellar returns on equity and assets at 31.5% and 3.38% respectively? It's like American Express is flexing its financial muscles for the world to see. These numbers indicate how efficiently American Express uses its shareholders' equity and company assets to generate earnings. Unfortunately, we don't have available the return of invested capital due to in some financial sector companies is too difficult to calculate. And let's not forget about that tasty EPS of 11.22, with a side of 14.67% EPS growth over the next 5 years. Talk about a recipe for success. Now, let's take a stroll down memory lane and admire the evolution of earnings per share and free cash flow per share over the last decade. With compound annual growth rates of 8.11% and 10.55% respectively, American Express is proving that age is just a number when it comes to financial prowess. But hey, what about that dividend yield? At 1.21% and with a delicious 10.51% dividend growth over the last decade, American Express is like the gift that keeps on giving. And folks, let's not overlook those juicy operating and profit margins at 18.55% and 12.25% respectively. It's like American Express is running a tight ship, navigating the seas of finance with ease. Now, let's talk about the evolution of revenue and earnings over the last 8 years. With a positive trajectory that even the most seasoned investor would envy, American Express is proving its mettle in the market, obtaining a higher total return than VO during the last 5 years. But wait, what about debt? Don't worry, folks, American Express has got it covered with a debt-equity ratio of 1.75 and a long-term debt-equity ratio of 1.34. It's like they're walking the tightrope of finance with perfect balance. And let's not forget about that market cap of $156.75 billion. American Express is not just a player in the market, it's a heavyweight champion. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a peek into the crystal ball of analysts' predictions. While some may see a downside of 3.77% to $218.55 per share, I see a potential fair valuation of $228.60, suggesting that American Express is right where it belongs. So there you have it, folks. American Express is not just a credit card company, it's a financial powerhouse, and with numbers like these, it's no wonder investors are lining up to ride the American Express train to financial success. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial adventures. Until next time, happy investing!